As Governor Ducey considers when to reopen the state, we've learned of another COVID-19 hotspot in the valley. It's an assisted living facility. It's located in Chandler, and 13 residents there have died of complications related to COVID-19. Many others have been infected. ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw explains how the facility is responding to the spread.
On April 16th, Pennington Gardens emailed families, letting them know that 8 residents had passed away from coronavirus. This past Sunday, 3 days later, 13 people had died. That accounts for more than 25% of all of Maricopa County's assisted living facility deaths. And this facility still scrambling to stop the spread and save their residents. Another ambulance was at Pennington Gardens Tuesday, wheeling out another resident. She's now one of at least 15 who have been transported from the facility. 13 will never return.
It was 100% preventable.
Christine Burke pulled her mom, who has dementia, from Pennington Gardens last week after she heard of the first COVID case.
When I spoke to the facility director the next day, I was told that there was only 50 masks, 70 employees, and none for the residents.
An employee on the inside also told me about the rationed PPE. She's since tested positive, one of 9 employees who's contracted the virus.
New residents were coming in. Caregivers were working at other facilities with COVID positive patients. I was just like, that's it. Like, I have to protect her. They weren't protecting her.
ABC 15 obtained the daily updates Pennington managers have been sending out about positive cases and their increased efforts to stop the spread. The facility says they've ramped up PPE use, cleaning, and testing.
We need more communication, not less.
Arizona's AARP director Dana Kennedy says the information from inside these facilities needs to be shared publicly by the state.
We need to put families before facilities.
But the state and county still won't release specifics. Maricopa County only saying 75 assisted living facilities now have at least 1 case, and 80% of those have 5 cases or less.
This is the best nightmare out of the 2.
Christine is now caring for her mom. While she's grateful she picked her up in a car, she thinks of all the others, driven out in an ambulance or a coroner's van.
You know, I ate and spent time with them when I was there. I would like to know from the county and the state what happened.
Now, this Chandler zip code in particular is a hot spot. There are 63 coronavirus cases and a 43% increase since Easter Sunday. There are also a number of other assisted living facilities in a very small area. Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.